Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make the NVIDIA graphics card run better. Now the first thing I want you to do is just search up NVIDIA app download on Google. Okay, now open the first link right here, download the NVIDIA app, go ahead and install it. Now once it opens up, I want you to go ahead and come here, click on drivers, and from this section I want you to go ahead and click on this right here. So click on the studio driver, and once you click on this drop down, you get two options. So this is game ready drivers for the game best gaming experience, and this is studio driver for video editing, things like that. So go ahead and download whichever one you need for your situation and your use case. So just download it, and once you install it, I want you to come to the left hand panel, click on system, and just make sure RTX video enhancements is disabled. Go to performance, make sure automatic tuning is actually toggled on. And then what I want you to do is just right click anywhere on your desktop, click here on show more options, click on NVIDIA Control Panel, and then come here on the left hand side, click on manage 3D settings. Okay, and just make sure your preferred graphics processor is set to your NVIDIA processor, and ambient occlusion, make sure you change this to performance. Low latency mode, make sure you turn this to ultra. OpenGL rendering GPU, make sure you choose the NVIDIA graphics card that you have. And what we can do for power management mode, you can change this to prefer maximum performance and just click here and apply. That's all you have to do. It's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.